All right, so here we are, winners round 4. We have Draxsel, Joe J versus Fun China and Dom. Got some stuff going on. Got some tag changes and all that junk.
Yeah, for sure, dude.
Yup. So we got Fun China and Dom. I mean, we're going to see the Diddy Kong. We're going to see the Bayo most likely, right? I figure.
Yeah, Dom plays every character, but he also really only plays one character.
That's really how it goes, yeah. And Draxsel pulling out the cloud. You got Joe J on the tried and true Diddy Kong. So a lot of high tiers.
Yeah, and Joe J is actually a really interesting player. He's low-key very good.
Yes.
He's definitely on the come up. He won the Arcadian last time, and I think he is going to surprise a lot of people in bracket today.
I agree. I mean, he's a very solid Diddy player.
Yeah.
He's fun to watch. You know what I mean? When he gets going, he's
pretty fun, yeah.
Pretty fun to watch. So we'll see how this goes.
Draxsel playing Cloud.
Yeah.
Because, you know, Cloud's legal here.
Yes.
In doubles.
Yes. Well, I mean, double Cloud is too.
Yeah.
But like.
I feel like I'm playing doubles in the 40s, damn it.
So we're just waiting on some stage deliberations here. We're just figuring things out.
One day we're going to look back and we're going to see allowing Cloud in doubles the same way as apartheid.
Just as bad, honestly. Can't figure out which one's worse.
Free the Mies. Free the Mies. That's basically segregation.
That is. We have our resident meat player here, Toonberry, right?
Toonberry.
Toonberry sounds better.
No, I think Toonberry is like, I think that's a reference to something.
Is it? Okay,
anyway, we're going to go right into it here. Purple Diddy. I like how he's gone for purple Diddy and not blue Diddy. I respect that decision.
It is, yeah.
But at the same time, I don't know, man.
Zero's Diddy?
Zero doesn't have a Diddy anymore because Zero retired.
Well, he was his Diddy.
What, is it like a retired number? Nobody can wear purple
absolutely.
now? Nah.
Yeah.
He wanted to be Wayne Gretzky so bad. Nintendo would never even acknowledge that Zero is the GOAT.
No, they won't, because it was before the game that came out where they're probably going to play it more competitively, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah, all right, that finishing touch, I don't know about that, but...
Yeah, I don't know about that either. So, got Draxsel off stage. He was getting just threatened all day there by Dom.
Yeah, that nair, you just throw that out and like you just have a hitbox.
Yeah, and it's scary. I mean, like you're a Cloud, right? Ooh, drags him down, but he's gonna hit the stage.
It's like a big, just spiky ball of
death.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you get hit by it as a Cloud, you just die. There's no coming back for you.
Yeah, unless you have limit.
Speaking of no coming back, that back air from Dom is actually gonna take Draxsel out. So and that up air is gonna take out Dom.
Big up air, big back air. We're not
even on those two.
Yeah, we're even-ish.
Even-ish.
The
yeah,
Diddy's,
that's a good way to say it.
There's a disparity in the Ditties.
Yes.
There's a Diddy disparity.
Ooh, okay.
Donkey Kong Country Diddy's disparity.
Draxsel is going to take away that stock from Fun China. So now there is definitely a disparity in stocks, though, entirely. I just realized there's going to be a lot of bananas. There's going to be 2 bananas just kind of hanging out on stage a lot, I feel.
Yeah, bananas are really useful. I learned in the car today that you can smoke out of one.
Wow.
Yeah.
No, that's something new.
Yeah.
I learned a lot.
Yeah, bananas, they have potassium. So at least Diddy Kong's not going to cramp.
No,
we'll
not
put
at
it
all.
that way, you know?
Yeah. Ooh, okay, the Nair. It looks like we just have a series of one-on-ones.
Yeah, this is like this is like when you go to the hibachi restaurant and there's another family at the table and you do your best to just ignore them.
Exactly. Yeah.
But you sort of can't.
Yeah, you're just like, hey, we're having fun. Why are you?
We're having fun. Oh, these guys are here.
It's ruining my time.
Yeah.
Okay, well, looks like we're switching partners now. So
maybe they're swinging.
Oh, ooh! Just falls into the up smash.
Speaking of swinging, yeah, big old swing from Draxsel.
Oh, the up smash. He had enough time to miss an up smash, turn around, throw another.
It was a bait.
Oh, totally. Yeah.
Oh,
okay, so
that's a big punishment by Draxsel. You can't do that witch time.
Do that.
That's one of Dom's sort of faults as a Bayo. He loves that witch time.
Fun China's dead.
No, he's not dead.
Back. He's dead.
Oh yeah, he's dead now.
Yeah.
Oh, he wasn't.
He tried.
There was a time when he wasn't though.
Yes.
There was a time when he was not going to die.
Exactly.
And unfortunately,
that's like he's alive. The resuscitation worked, and then like he had a second heart attack.
Okay, ping pong.
Yeah, here we go. Oh, the tech. Oh, if he would hit that F smash. Oh, come on.
That was a big boy tech from Draxsel.
It was.
He tried. I thought, okay, big down smash.
Wow.
Huge down smash.
Huge.
That was
The
one of the biggest down smash. That was. Can the venue fit that down smash? I lost my name tag.
It's all right.
Just the magnitude and the wind from that down smash just blew it off of my
Launched
body.
it off of your body at
Holy
full
cow.
speed. I actually don't have mine on either.
Holy cow.
Launched both of our name tags off.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
So we're going to game 2.
Yes.
How do you feel about this stage pick? We're going to King DDD.
Yeah, I don't know. It's going to be an interesting one. I think Town and City, you know, a lot of people here kill off the top, so I guess it really doesn't hurt anyone.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, but we'll see how it goes here.
And also, you know, Draxsel has a little extra. He has a little extra spot to sort of write in his diary and charge limit. You know?
Exactly, yeah.
And that's what you need. Cloud is very emotional.
Yes.
Sometimes he needs his alone time, and that's
Yeah.
okay. Some people are like that. A lot of people are like that. I'm
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that. You know, there's a little bit of Cloud in all
time,
of us.
You
I'm
need
pretty
time
sure.
to recharge your limit. You know
Yeah.
what I mean?
And sometimes you got to break your limit.
Yeah, of course.
And then
And then
use your cross slash.
And then, you know, you just take your time again.
Just wake up and cross slash the day.
Yes. Zero lag.
With limit.
Ooh.
All right.
Looking for the finishing touch.
A near miss from Draxsel there. We're gonna have to call the FAA on that one.
Oh. So we have a... He's dead.
Yeah.
Wow, that was not the smartest recovery
he's
option.
Real dead.
Yeah. He went to drop off ledge, jump back up, and he ate a sword for it. And red team down in stocks.
Again.
Now they're off stage. So blue team's looking pretty good right now. Looking in control, in the driver's seat, as they say. F smash coming out.
Oh, there we go. A big conversion there for red team.
The sauce.
Yeah, Draxsel trying to throw out forward smash. That you can't do that
No.
easily, kiddo.
You'll get punished for that, and it's stylish. All right, so we have a fun China here at kill percent, I'd say. Same thing with Joe J. Both still on 3 stocks, man. So we have Diddy's brawling, just looking to take that first stock from each other.
It's like going to the zoo, seeing the monkeys fight.
Exactly.
Like,
It's
why are you guys fighting?
Yeah, it's like your brothers. Like,
Well, don't be racist.
well, I mean, I don't mean like that.
Just because they look alike?
No, that's not okay. All right. You're reaching, I feel. Oh, Draxel's up there, but he doesn't hit Draxsel. He gets Joe J. Now Joe J loses his first stock, runs up smashes. Not gonna do it though.
Somebody said Zambo.
Yeah.
Why do I have the only thing I can hear? I can't hear anything, but
Yeah.
I can hear when somebody says Zambo.
I heard it too, to be fair. So Fun China, looking like he's probably gonna be the next to go here. All things considered, but Draxsel almost proved me wrong. Looking to spike Dom. So, yeah, Dom's gone off the top. Wow. Just followed him all the way up there. Gets that up air from Draxsel. So, little grab here, back throw should take that stock, and it does. So now red team on their last stocks.
Which is just a big flip from what we saw before. Like, red team was in the driver's seat early on.
Yeah, and immediately it's gone. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, they gave the controls up. They relinquished controls of the game.
They told Jesus to take the wheel, and it turns out they were actually talking to blue team.
Yeah. Like, you know, they were in the car. Blue team was like, what are you doing? Jesus isn't here.
They
We
did
have to take it.
the old Chinese fire drill.
Yes, of course, yes. Got out, they ran around.
Yeah. Is that racist?
I mean, probably, right?
Why Chinese?
Yeah, of all ethnicities to pick,
I feel like
Chinese.
I
I think it was just a different time, though.
Yeah, when back then when you were a kid, like you could get, like any like weird variant on something was just the Chinese version.
Yes.
You ever played Chinese hot hands, which is different from hot hands somehow.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Chinese checkers.
Yeah, which is actually...
That actually is
yeah,
Chinese.
Yeah, it's exactly. Okay, gets the up air, and now, okay, red team.
Yeah.
Trying their best here.
They are trying their best.
If he kills
Draxsel actually spaghettied out on that platform
Yeah.
a little bit.
Oh, he killed his teammate. So,
He wanted the rage reset.
yes, of course. So we're even in stocks, though.
You can't eat a banana when you're mad.
Yes. It just doesn't work. Your body rejects the banana. So, he's looking to end him again with that up B. So,
Okay, up
boy.
air.
That's a good one there.
That was precise.
Yeah.
Imagine
Slips that sword
Imagine
right in
a
there.
surgeon hitting you with a picnic table.
That's exactly what happened. Oh, misses the cross slash. Not great, but it's all right. They got time here. Draxsel's at the magical percent. Gets the throw, back air, and that's going to take it. Draxsel and Joe J.
2-0 over Fun, China, and Dom.
Well done.
That was a fun time.